However, I tell you that there are 5 hidden websites that can pay you nothing less than $500 to $200 every single month just by performing menial tasks. Now, when you hear menial tasks, I know your mind is probably going to some basic website that give you some few cents per task, but this is not what I'm actually referring to in this video. In this video, I'm referring to a highly reputable website that has been running on the internet for over 10 years that actually pays you legitimately no matter where you find yourself in the world, just by helping solve some minor problems for them. And this is something that every single person out there can actually give a try to if they want to. And the truth is that what there are some part of the world you live in that this will actually be greater than your usual 9 to 5 salary, provided that you take it serious. Now, with this already said, and without taking much of your time, let's get straight on my screen as usual. Let me share with you these 5 websites. And before we do this, if this is your first time on my channel, kindly help me do the YouTube business by smashing on that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell me what you feel down in the comment section as well. So let's get straight into today's video. Now, the first website on our list is actually Just Answer. Now, Just Answer is actually a website that pays you up to $2,000 every single month just by helping people answer questions related to a specific topic. Yes, you heard me right. You don't have to be 100% expert in this topic. You just have to have a little knowledge about these topics, and this website will actually pay you a decent amount of money for it. Now, when you come over to their website, you are going to see some of the topics they actually offer, ranging from law up to home improvement, automobile, legal, and a lot of them. So if you are someone who have an idea about these particular industries, you can come check their website, see other industries that are here. If you see that you have an idea about any of them, all you basically have to do is that what? Come over to their website, scroll down to the footer, and then click on where it says become an expert. Now, all you basically have to do is just click on here, and to take you to a fresh page where you have to fill in this form, create your account, and then wait for their approval. Now, once your account gets approved, you will receive questions from this platform, and each of the questions will have their price tag attached to it. So once you answer any of those questions correctly, you get paid for it. Now, this is not a hard thing to do. You don't have to be an 100% expert in this field. You just have to have a little bit knowledge in it, and you don't have to answer every single question that you come across. You just have to go with the ones that you know that you can actually answer clearly, because the most important thing when it comes to making money is being able to deliver quality and then making the money at the same time. So if you cannot deliver quality, then please don't go for the money, because your reputation is very important to consider how much you are going to make from the platform, because the more you are able to deliver high quality answers to people over and over again, the more you stand to make on the platform as well. Now, know that this is not one of those shitty platforms that have to stress you out to answer questions for a cent or $1. No, this platform gives you questions ranging from about $100 to $200 per single question that you might even answer, and some of them are even way more than that. At times, there are some single questions that could earn you even way more than the $2,000 that I told you, depending on the feed you find yourself. Now, according to the website, all you simply have to do is simply apply online, verify your credentials, and then once you get approved, you start making money, and it's that simple. Now, this might not work for everybody, no problem at all. I also have 4 more reputable websites on the list that you can actually give a try to. Now, the second website on our list is actually VIP Kids. Now, VIP Kids is a website whereby you basically teach some basic subject to kids or probably some little grown adult for some decent amount of money per hour. So this website basically pay you per hour within the ranges of $14 to $22 per single hour. So on a normal day, let me say in a week, if you can teach about 10 hours in a week, that will give you about $200 and something. And we and I know that what you can actually have over 10 free hours every single week to teach on this site. And if you are being paid up to $22 per hour, that alone tells you that what there's more opportunity to make money on this website. Because let's say in average a day, you are able to sacrifice up to 5 hours for this website. That should be ranging nothing less than $100 to $200, depending on the range you actually get in based on the subject you are teaching. Now, once you come over to this website, your sign up form is directly here. You can just register here and then start teaching on this website and then be paid really decently for it. And you can see that there's nothing hidden on the website, as I stated it right from their homepage. You can see teach when you want, no lesson planning, competitive pay. And I think this one is even better than the average teacher salary based on depending on the country you live in. Because being paid up to $22 an hour in this modern system is not something you can get easily. And VIP Kid is actually offering this to you for you to do. And this is not just a random website. This is a well-known website that has been in the system for a very long period of time. And if you've been following my channel for a while now, you know this is probably the third, maybe second time that I'm recommending this particular websites when it comes to a website that actually pays you a decent amount of money. So if you are someone who is good at teaching out there, why not? You can actually pick it up and then just teach kids. These are not adults, just some mid-range kids between the ages of 12 and below that you can actually teach and get paid decently for it. Instead of just sitting there wasting their time, you can actually use it to do something more reasonable. So the third website on our list is actually TopTal. Now TopTal is actually a website made for those who have skills. So if you don't have any particular skill, such as any sort of digital skill or any sort of skill that you can offer virtually, then I think this might not really work for you, because this is a freelancing website that only accept the top 3% of freelancers, meaning that what it doesn't accept every random person out there. And the reason for this is that what every single job on that particular platform pays really high, ranging from about $100 plus per single hour. Yes, you heard me right. The minimum you can get on that website is $100 plus per single hour, meaning that what if you get approved onto that website, then you are very lucky. And the truth is that what it really pays for its high standard requirements. So if you're a freelancer out there, you can actually come shoot your shot on this website, and once you get approved, that's basically all you need to stay fit into that particular job, because like you are making over $100 every single hour just by offering some digital tasks on this website. But the truth is that well, it's very difficult to get approved, so you just have to shoot your shot. If you get approved, good. If you don't get approved, you basically move on. As for now, if in case you are interested in shooting your shot on this website, all you basically have to do is simply click at this top here where it says apply as a freelancer. You just click on it. Now it will take you over to this page here where you can fill in this information, or basically sign up with LinkedIn directly, and you are good to go. So now this is basically the third website that actually pays you really well to offer some services online, because none of them is going to give you this money for free. So at the end of the day, you have to offer a service in exchange for it. So with this already said so far, kindly help me do the YouTube business by smashing that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell me what you feel down in the comment section. On this channel, as you all know, I focus on only giving quality, so I'm not coming here to give you some junk website that might not even pay you after doing those menial tasks, but I'm giving high valued websites. So you can stick with me to the end for the remaining two websites. Now the fourth website on our list is actually usertesting.com. Now usertesting.com, as we all know, is a very reputable website that has been in this testing industry for quite a long time right now. However, one thing I noticed about this website is that if you are in some part of the world, you actually find it difficult to get job. Like people who get active tags on this website are probably people that lives in the United States, Europe, and then some part of Asia, I would say. Because if you live in Africa, probably some part of Africa, I don't know if they do get jobbers. Signing up in Ghana here, I didn't really get much job at first when I was using this website back then, but now I don't actually use this website anymore. But it still actually pays, so I have to recommend it, because not only Ghanaians or Nigerians are watching my channel, so I still have to recommend it to those that are living within America and Europe and some part of Asia. You can actually give a try to it. But if you are not within those regions that I just mentioned right now, it will be difficult for you to get a job. But then you can still shoot your shot. Your luck might be different. So this website actually pays you up to $30 or more per single hour of testing a website. So basically what you simply do is that you either test websites, which is website prototypes, give your feedback on probably mobile applications and other stuff. Now all you simply have to do is that you spend about 10 to 20 minutes on this particular website going through all those. If it's a website, you go through the website, take note of the key details that they request from you during the process, and then just jot them down. And then after that, when you are done with the whole overview and everything, you just submit it, and once you get approved, your money get deposited into your account. Very simple and that. But then, as I said, if you live in some part of the world, it might not really work well for you. Now for those who are living within those regions that I just mentioned right, like America, Europe, and then some part of Asia, all you basically have to do is simply click on it says start here. Now once you click on start here, it's going to take you to the sign up page where you have to decide who exactly you are. So here you say I want to evaluate user testing for my company. Now this is for company owners who actually want to submit their softwares or websites or whatever thing for testing. And under here you say I want to make money, get paid to test. Now this is the option you have to go with if you really want to get paid on this website. Now with this already said, let's move over to the fifth one on our list, which is the final website that I have for you. Now the final website on our list is actually rev.com, and I think going through the whole list that I've shared here with you, this is the most recommended website when it comes to making money on YouTube, websites on YouTube here, because I've seen this website almost across every single video back in early days when the website started at first even. Now this website is also not bad despite being recommended over and over again. Being recommended over and over again alone tells you that what this website actually works well. Now what do you do on this website to get paid? Well, on rev.com you basically get paid to transcribe audio or video files. Now this could be translating from one language to another or generating the captions. Like you receive a video and then you have to generate the caption for it, and this website pays you approximately about $1-2 for every single minute. So meaning that what if you get a video of about 30 minutes, that's approximately $30 or more being fixed there. If you get a video about 60 minutes, that is it there. So if you can transcribe a video of about 2 hours, you basically do the calculation yourself, as they are paying you $1 per hour per minute. So you can basically do the calculation. Now coming on this website to get started as a freelancer who wants to make money from this website, all you have to do is that what just scroll down to the footer section of the website, and then you're going to see where it says freelancers. Now basically click on it. Now it's going to take you to the web page whereby you have to sign up as a freelancer. However, before that, there are some information that you need to read to understand every single thing before you get to work. Like I said, let's say Rev freelancer job lets you work from anywhere, earn money transcribing, captioning, or sublining from anywhere, anytime. Let's say create a flexible work schedule. So you can see that this website doesn't work from it doesn't work in every country as well. You can see, so we are currently not accepting applications from your location. So if you find yourself in Ghana, then I'm sorry, this doesn't work for you. However, some other African countries it works currently, but for now they say they are not accepting applications from those in Ghana. So if you're in Ghana, I'm really sorry. Now basically here is it. Let's say create a flexible work schedule. Choose from hundreds of jobs available. Like there's job on this website 24/7. Once you sign up and you get approved, there's always a job for you to actually do. Now I believe they give you a test when you are signing up, which I haven't used yet, but basically from the research and everything, you have to pass a certain test before you can start taking up job on the website to make sure that what you are not just taking people's space, but you're actually delivering what is required of you. Now next I will simply get paid weekly. They say receive weekly pay via PayPal for all work completed, rev is on time and dependable. And that is the truth about it. Based on my research from people using the platform that I've personally connected with, they actually pay you per weekly. So whatever money you make throughout this week, you get paid the following week. So maybe say you start working today, you get paid the following Monday. And I think it's not bad either, getting paid weekly. How many jobs do that for you? So no matter how much you make from this website, at the end of the week, you know that whatever amount you have will be paid the following week. And I think that sounds great and better as well. So any amount you can make this week, you just expect it next week. However, they pay to only PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, that could be a big minus for you. That's why I said it doesn't work everywhere. But if you work in your country, then I believe there's a chance that PayPal is also working in your country. Or probably there could be an easy link for you to get PayPal as well. Now for those in Nigeria, if you find out that it works, you can actually create PayPal in Nigeria. Now with the help of Gray, you can actually link Gray to your PayPal account, which will actually help you activate your PayPal regardless of which part of Nigeria you are from. So with this already said, hope you find this video helpful and help me do the YouTube business by smashing that subscribe button, like this video, and for more great videos like this, please do well to share this one as well, because the more engagement will actually push us to create more. Now see you in my next video. Bye.